Yesterday, I bought a set of cooking toys for my little daughter, and she was so excited to receive it. This set includes a small oven, pots, pans, and cooking utensils such as knives, spoons, and forks. What's interesting is that these items are designed to resemble real ones, giving the child a sense of being a real chef. My daughter's favorite part is the oven, where she can bake cute little cookies. We had so much fun making sweet treats together, and she was proud of her creations.